Hello, in this video I would like to show you our newest 4K LCD controller. Our part number is called MS643LC and can go up to maximum resolution 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz. As you can see, this is the input. 12 volt, between 5 to 12 volts good. You can use a battery supply. This is the keyboard. This is the 40-pin flat cable connect to the screen, and this is speakers, and this is the earphones if you need it. 2 HDMI, 1 DP input. It's pretty good and really compact. You know, it's really compact. It's about 6.5 millimeter thick. So this kit comes with the screen, wire harness, 5-button keyboard, and AC/DC adapters, accepts 10 to 240 AC volts. Output is 12 volts, and also including one of HDMI cables. So pretty much, when you buy this kit, it comes with almost everything you need to fire up. You know, basically this one was connected to here. Pull out, stick in. Oops. All right, this one connected here. Okay, so basically I have a screen here. I want to show you. This screen has a really high resolution, which is it's made by LG Philips. Okay, it's a LP150UD1. Okay, so this one can go up to 3840 by 2160 resolution. But so basically you just connect here. Make sure to connect the right directions. Okay. Okay, connect here, or you can add a piece of tape to secure it. And after that, you know, I have a Raspberry Pi here. It's a really old Raspberry Pi. I want to try to fire up this display, and this Raspberry Pi was set to a 1920 by 1080. But you can always, you know, just go to a Raspberry config file to set it to 3840 by 2160 resolutions. Okay. And I also have HDMI cable here. One end connect to a Raspberry Pi. Okay. The other end connect to a either one of this HDMI inputs. Okay. Now I want to fire up the Raspberry Pi that I have. Again, this one's a really old Raspberry Pi. Okay, and I also want to hook up my mouse here so I can, oh, it's already there. So it's putting up. So again, this config.txt is set to 1920 by 1080. Okay, you can change that file to 3840 by 2160. Easy. It's still putting. Put it up. Okay. Now it's coming up. See this? Okay, let me bring up some pictures here. I have here, so I have to try to see the mouse better so I can show you. See, very nice. Again, this resolution is only 1920 by 1080 because I didn't set my config.txt. So it's really nice, and so let me bring up another pictures. It's really nice and clear. I have this here. All right. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Well, you see my light here. So anyway, this one is the newest one, and you can either open a different resolution too, with a different refresh rate. Can work up to 120 Hz. Thank you for watching.